Video, we're going to show you how to use our new feature, Subagent, in TRAE SOLO. Have you ever felt like you're juggling into too many things at once? And probably you are manually calling out every single agent all the time and delegate the specific task to a specific agent. That's probably the time that you need to try our new feature, Subagent, in TRAE SOLO. So what does Subagent do in Solo is, they think independently, act autonomously, and bring the result back to you and the main agent. So Solo will know whenever to invoke the subagent in certain scenarios. You don't have to worry about splitting the work anymore between agents. You just need to set your custom agent to be callable by Solo, and Solo Coder will orchestrate the rest. And now I'm going to show you how to use it. So you always have two ways that you can create subagent in TRAE SOLO. Your option one is you can use smart creation. There's a panel called agent. So when you create, that is the time that you can describe what do you want the subagent to do, and Solo will auto-generate the agent, filling the name, prompt, and descriptions for you. So just like the main agent, your custom agent will support sharing and exporting as well, and your team can reuse and remix them easily. Let's try a subagent. I want to have a data scientist who can help me to analyze the database. So I will say you are a senior data scientist who looks up the dataset, analyzes it, and presents insightful findings to me. Okay, so now let's say what TRAE will help us to create. Okay, perfect. Now we have our data insight analyst right now. So Solo help us to auto-generate the prompt, and we not only have the general instructions right now, we also have some specific workflow. You can see it will help us to do some exploratory analysis, the statistic test, very insightful, and will help us to develop the visual report. Seems good. And whenever you toggle this bottom, and when you turn it on, it means that your subagent is callable by other agent as well, which means that currently we support our subagent to be called by Solo Coder in Solo mode. So Solo Coder will detect whenever they need to use our data insight analyst, and it will call it automatically without manually calling out. And also you can set up some more tools like MCP tools in this agent as well. We also have a second option to create. So if you don't want to use the smart generate, you can always choose to filling this blanks out by you manually. So if it means that you have more control, you can build a step by step, enter the name, description, and then define the allowed tools and scope manually. Okay, so now let's create. Let's let it to have Solo Coder code it. Okay, now we can see in our agent list, we have our senior data analyst. Let's go to our code base. So in the editor, we can see that right now we have a database. It's about e-commerce. So let's now try out our case and see whether Solo Coder will successfully and automatically call out our subagent for us. Let's say our goal is to detect our monthly revenue trend in this database. Okay, perfect. We can now see that Solo Coder is fine that we are going to analyze this database and automatically call out our senior data analyst, which is exactly the subagent we just created. Looks like right now it's exploring the databases and it's doing the exploratory data analysis just like our prompt did. So let's wait for a while and see what kind of the findings it will bring to us. Okay, perfect. Now, Solo give it to me this graph, which is automatically generated. Look at those beautiful graphs. I couldn't believe those our subagent just automatically finished all of the work and gave me the visualizations. Looks like the task is perfectly done, and that's a very simple way to use our subagent. In Solo Coder, we also have a built-in example agent, which is our search agent. So the search agent will automatically to search things whenever it feels like it's needed. So go check it out. It's very easy to be created. It's just in the agent panel. Don't forget to use smart generation.